This is Peggy Kiefer with the Grove Sun and Grand Lake News.com. We're driving down Main Street in Grove right now.
Rain's been coming down pretty hard for the last couple hours.
Delaware County emergency management teams are out blocking off roads that have flooded. Be careful of low-lying areas that may not look quite as deep. The water may not look quite as deep as it really is.
Coming up on 13th and Main, where there's been reports of some water on the roadway.
And there goes Grove EMS out on a medical call right at 13th Street.
You can see there's quite a bit of water.
And as we said before, rain is predicted to come for the next couple days. So please be careful if you need to get out. Use caution when driving. This is Peggy Kiefer with the Grove Sun and Grand Lake News.com reporting.